Today I will show you a interesting tricks, that is email forwarding. You will learn how to clone incoming email from one email address to another email address. Let's assume a scenario that you have to maintain several emails, but it's not easy to check all emails from several email addresses. So you can maintain one email address as primary email and forward all the email address from your other mails to your primary mails. Suppose you have three email address, that is email 1, email 2, email 3, and you have another email address that is your primary email. So if you can receive all your mails from email 1, email 2, email 3 to the primary email, then you can only keep checking your primary email to check all your incoming mails in these three emails. In this way, you can add as many as you want as your secondary email address that you want to forward to your primary email. So let's go and watch how to do that. Here I have two email address, that is Kevin at ksauniform.com and Stephen at ksauniform.com, and my primary email is my Gmail. So I want to receive all incoming mail from Kevin to this Gmail. So check out how to do that. You have to log into your cPanel. Then under the email feature, you will find forwarder. Here you have to click add forwarder. Here address to forward. Here you have to place your secondary email address. In this situation, I want to get email from this to my Gmail. Then I will only copy the prefix here, and here is the domain or postfix, and forward to email address where I want to forward the incoming mail, or where I want to get the incoming mail, that is my Gmail address, that is it. Okay, I am copying it and pasting it there. Now just click add forwarder. Okay, now I will send a mail to my another mail address from my another mail address, that is Stephen at ksauniform.com. So I want to log in here first. I am copying my username. And pasting it here. Okay, now I will send a mail to kevin@ksauniform.com. Let's click compose mail and write Kevin. Okay, here I want to write a subject. Here I am writing a body. Let's click the send button. Okay. Look, I have sent mail to Kevin at the rate of ksauniform.com, but the mail has been received in my primary mail or my Gmail also. In this way, you can clone all your incoming mail to your primary mailbox or a single mailbox. Keep your mind that you will also receive the same mail to kevin at the rate of ksauniform.com. I am showing you that. Look here, the same mail has been received on kevin at the rate of ksauniform.com also. If you find this video useful to you, then click the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss any of my video. Thank you.